Hello everyone, in today's video we're going over another fantastic month of wrist Mafia. Hopefully this box has been as fantastic as all the other 4 that I've gotten so far, because so far so good. I've been paying $29 a month and receiving a brand new watch for my keeping each and every month. So I've been really digging this subscription service. Some of them have been a little bit better than others, but all of them have been absolutely amazing for the price. It's also been an amazing service to help me increase my collection of watches and to increase my actual wardrobe in general. So super cool. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see exactly what we got this month, and then we'll go over a little bit what I've gotten in past months as well. So stay tuned and let's check it out, guys. This is the Deuce. So this one's gonna be an amazing watch automatically. I just like the name. It's gonna be cool. I'm hoping for it. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's see what we've got. Wow, okay, this is unique. Definitely liking that one. This is not really my style. This is not what I would consider my style, with the crocodile looking band and the brown in general. I'm more of a black or silver kind of guy, but this would go nice with a few of the outfits that I do have that would be more appropriate than the other watches that I have in my collection. So no harm, no foul here. And I would like to get this little film off of there. Boom. To which it now looks much better than it previously did even. So absolutely amazing watch, and genuine leather band, and has the nice feel to it as well. Still very stiff coming out, hasn't had time to get worn in, but let's go ahead and place it on the wrist and see exactly how it looks. Go ahead and slide that in there, and like I said, it is still very stiff, but it won't take long to wear it in. It's actually a good thing that it's stiff. Let's go ahead and place this on there and double it over. Bingo. Really nice, absolutely amazing. Hugs the wrist nicely, but it feels great as well. Has plenty of leeway. Super nice watch. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of the other watches that I've received from Wrist Mafia, so you can also check those out without having to watch the other videos, which I also recommend you watch because I go a little bit further in depth into the unboxings of those, to which this, you're just going to have a sneak peek of what the watches look like. So stay tuned and let's check those out. Now we have all the watches lined up that I've got in previous months, and I still have my skeleton that I just now got. Let's go ahead and go over all the watches and in what order that I got them. The first one that I received was this Toro Luna El Prestigio Special Edition. And this was actually really cool because I'm actually a Taurus zodiac sign. And I received this watch as my first subscription to Wrist Mafia, and I received it on my birthday. So it was really cool that I got it at the timing that I did. This watch also has the genuine leather band. Feels absolutely amazing and is still in fantastic quality after wearing very rigorously throughout the last few months. Looks great on the wrist. It feels great as well. Let's go ahead and move on to our next watch, which will be this Time Frame, and I received this as my second watch. This one has a silicone band and has been worn a lot as well. Sorry, it's still a little dirty. I should have wiped all these down before filming. But overall, fantastic quality. Still looks amazing, and I haven't even started the watch on this one yet. Still got the little plastic clip right there where you can start it. And also have the Maestro, which I received in my 3rd month to Wrist Mafia. This one is absolutely fantastic. This one has in fact been worn many a times, and I absolutely love this watch. Really cool watch, but this one is probably the heaviest one that I have received from Wrist Mafia, but it's got the metal band, so that is actually to be expected. Let's go ahead and move on to our last watch that I received last month, and that would be the Centro Milano. This one is absolutely fantastic and is right up my alley. Has that carbon fiber look on the dial, and the actual band is made out of fabric with a genuine leather strap as well. On the back, just has that fabric on this side. Overall, feels fantastic and looks amazing. Have gotten multiple compliments from this watch, and I just now received it last month. So this one's actually the best watch that I have received and my favorite so far. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Which watch is your favorite? Do you guys think any of these watches are up your alley? Are you in style with any of these, including the special edition skeleton right here that I have gotten from Deuce? But that about sums it up for our video. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.